The UC Personal Insight question number 2. Every person has a creative side, and it can be expressed in many ways. Problem solving, original and innovative thinking, and artistically, to name a few. Describe how you express your creative side. What makes you, you? This question isn't just for those who are planning to apply for an art degree or those wanting to have a job in the entertainment field. Creativity can be a unique idea or viewpoint that resulted in something positive, an innovation at work, or simply creating something new. Maybe there was a time where your perspective or viewpoint was different from others. Because of this, you were able to approach the situation differently. You were able to solve the problem. It could have been that your imagination, your thought process, or your intuition guided you to the solution when others may have had difficulty doing so. It can be challenging to break away from the stereotypical creativity that we often attribute to performing. However, if this is your creative side, embrace it. Be proud, write about it. Don't feel as though you have to think of different ways you embody creativity if this is your form. Essentially, this question is wanting to see how your passions and how your creativity have positively impacted parts of your life. How does it tie into your major and career interests? And how do you feel it will affect your time at the university? If you find that this question doesn't appeal to you or that maybe this isn't a question that you can write about, that's no problem. Don't feel that you're stuck answering this question since there are 6 others to choose from, so take the time to explore your other options. And remember, have fun, good luck, and happy writing.